How's everyone doing? It's Stock Picks by Tim back again, and I want to get into crypto here. And I apologize if you hear my son in the background. He is playing video games, but let's get into this video.
Hi, I want you guys make sure to click and subscribe on my dad's channel.
Thank you. Make sure you like and subscribe on my channel. I put out daily videos, and make sure you check out the links below for some free crypto and stocks. Now let's get into this. So today I'm going to get into Bitcoin, look at the chart, I'm going to get into VGX, a crypto that I've been closely watching, and also we're going to touch on CleanSpark, and look at the TVL for a few cryptos. Now first off is going to be Bitcoin. We are trying to hold over this upward ascending channel here, and let me zoom out for a second for you. We've been respecting this channel for quite a while. We broke out, we tried holding it as support. I do think we're going to come down, maybe test this 50-day. If we fail that, we're going to come down and we're going to test this 100-day. And I think this is very possible, and this is okay. And this will bring us back down to this run. I don't really like seeing a run like this just this huge spike. Typically, it gets taken back. And you can see right here, you know, it ran up, chopped around, took it all back right here. Ran up, chopped around, took it all back. You could argue we're at that chop around phase before we take it all back, but that will still bring us to about 45,000. And I think that will be a great place to retrace to before bouncing higher. But to me, Bitcoin has been showing a lot of strength lately, and it's great to see it not pulling back extremely fast. Next up is going to be VGX, and this is the Voyager token. I absolutely love this one. It's actually my favorite small cap crypto. You'll notice on the chart that it tried to bounce up over the 100 EMA, and that's the red line here. Now Bitcoin got to about 48, started cooling down, and that kind of caused VGX to start coming down as well. We broke that $2 level, and now we're sitting at 194. I think it's a great time to average through on VGX. I love it under $2, and I'm okay with averaging while it's above 2. But I put an emphasis on buying a little heavier while it's under 2. We bounced quickly from that bottom of 130, formed a new bottom of about 150, and just blasted off since then. I think VGX is looking great. It bounced off of oversold when it fell slightly under the 100-day, and I think it's going to use this 100-day as support before it pushes higher. And next up, we're going to look at the TVL, or total value locked, of a few cryptos here. Now you'll notice that Polkadot here has been steadily increasing in total value locked, and this is thanks to the parachain auctions and more other cryptos in the Polkadot ecosystem adding to the total value locked. You'll see that now we're sitting at about $1.8 billion in TVL. And scrolling down to Cardano here at the top, you'll notice that Cardano is somewhat flat lately, but look at that TVL increase. I think by summer we will be well over $500 million in TVL on Cardano ADA. Now moving on to stocks, but keeping it crypto related, we're here at CleanSpark's Facebook, and I highly recommend you check out this video here. I will leave you guys a link below. But in this interview, Matt Schultz mentions that we're right now at about 2.2 exahash. And they're also making great progress in the immersion cooling, and this is going to give them even more efficiency, helping them to be even more profitable. And like I said a few videos back, I did expect Bitcoin to start cooling off a little bit, come back to reality. It was a bit overbought, so I took the opportunity on my short-term position on CleanSpark to trim some profits, and I'm looking for this to come down, hopefully to about 11.25 before I start adding in again. I leave my long-term position untouched, and for that position, I still see under 15 as a great time to continue to average through. But with my short-term position, I like to swing trade CleanSpark just a little bit. But if Bitcoin does show some further weakness, I can expect that I will likely pick up some CleanSpark right around the $11 area. And I think that would be a great place to add in on my short-term position again. And now here we are looking at Sphere 3D, or ANY, and this is the one still expecting to merge with Gryphon Digital. And I said before that their earnings is supposed to be coming up. We don't have a confirmation on Sphere 3D's investor relations page, but TradingView says it's the 1st of April. I think this might be incorrect. Now you will see that the candles finally bounced over that 300 MA, but it was not able to hold, and it is now currently back under it. And this is the first time that Sphere 3D broke out of the 300 MA since November 2021. I would say that this is no longer a falling knife anymore, and it's definitely worth accumulating while it's kind of in this consolidation phase here. But that's basically all I got for you guys. Just a quick update on some crypto related stocks, a few cryptos. Make sure you check out my previous videos. I'll leave one on the end screen. Until next time, take it easy.